In this video, I am going to show you how to get and redeem YouTube Premium codes. To get coupon codes, 1. Visit the official website. 2. Subscribe to their newsletter if they offer one. 3. Follow on social media the platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. They might occasionally share coupon codes or run giveaways on these channels. 4. Affiliate website or YouTube channels. Some content creators or affiliate marketers may provide coupons that they share with their audience. 5. Third-party coupon websites. Check popular coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, or Deals Plus. 5. Partnerships or collaborations. And 7. Promotional emails if they have ones. I am going to give you now one promo code or coupon code for this. Write it and you will have a discount. To redeem, go to any web browser and sign into your Google account. Open the link which is YouTube/redeem. Input your code premium code into the designated field and click Next to proceed. After entering the code, click Next to agree to the terms associated with your gift card or promotional code. Tap Get YouTube Premium and choose the plan you wish to purchase. Next, select Google Pay as your payment option and proceed to make the payment by clicking Buy. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.